Model 2003 Fiat Ducato Motorhome Spares OR Repairs Summer Camper Project Open Mouth Smile. Body white cream camper. Mileage 167350. Engine 2500 cc. Transmission 5-speed manual. Mechanical summary: starts perfect. Runs underpowered, high fuel pump needs replacing, gearbox and clutch looks all good. Condition summary: lovely original interior of the van, bathroom and sink area, smiling face with hearts, bodywork is very clean. Interior is very clean. Rear load area is very clean, genuine honest work van. Well looked after van. Features: 2 former keepers, HPI, clear. Click the link in the description for pictures and more info. Alternatively, call or WhatsApp us on 07401199723.